Crop diversification, a key strategy for sustainable agriculture. Hello students. Today we are going to learn about crop diversification, an important farming practice that helps farmers reduce risks, improve soil fertility, increase income, and produce a variety of foods. Many farmers grow only one crop every year, such as wheat or maize. This is called monoculture. While it may seem easier, it can make farms more vulnerable to pests, diseases, market price changes, and climate-related problems. Crop diversification encourages farmers to grow different crops instead of depending on only one. This makes farming more productive, profitable, and sustainable. By the end of today's lesson, you should be able to define crop diversification, explain its objectives, describe its benefits, identify the challenges of crop diversification, understand why it is important for sustainable agriculture. Introduction to crop diversification. Crop diversification means growing different kinds of crops on the same farm or within the same region instead of depending on only one crop. This reduces the risks associated with monoculture and helps maintain a healthy farming system. There are several ways to diversify crops. 1. Intercropping or mixed cropping. Growing two or more crops together in the same field at the same time. Example: growing maize and beans together. The beans add nitrogen to the soil, while the maize provides support and shade. 2. Crop rotation. Growing different crops on the same field in different seasons or years. Example: Year 1, wheat. Year 2, chickpea. Year 3, maize. Crop rotation helps improve soil fertility and reduces pests and diseases. 3. Introducing new or alternative crops. Farmers can grow crops with higher market value or better adaptation to local conditions. Examples: medicinal plants, aromatic plants, vegetables, fruits. Objectives of crop diversification. Crop diversification has several important objectives. 1. Reduce the risk of crop failure. Different crops respond differently to drought, floods, pests, diseases. If one crop fails, other crops may still produce a good harvest. Example: if wheat is damaged by disease, vegetables or legumes grown on the same farm can still provide income. 2. Improve soil health. Different crops use nutrients differently. Some crops, such as legumes, add nitrogen to the soil, while others consume more nutrients. Rotating crops helps prevent nutrient depletion and improve soil fertility. 3. Enhance food and nutritional security. Growing a variety of crops provides different foods such as cereals, vegetables, fruits, pulses. This improves family nutrition and reduces dependence on a single food source. 4. Increase farm income. Farmers can grow high-value crops that earn better prices. Diversification also reduces financial risk if the price of one crop decreases. 5. Conserve biodiversity. Growing many different crops supports beneficial insects, pollinators, soil organisms, wildlife. Greater biodiversity creates healthier farming systems. Benefits of crop diversification. Now let's discuss the major benefits. 1. Economic stability. Farmers who grow several crops depend less on one market. If the price of one crop decreases, they can still earn income from other crops. 2. Environmental sustainability. Crop diversification helps improve soil fertility, reduce soil erosion, increase biodiversity, protect natural resources. Healthy soils produce better crops over many years. 3. Better nutrition and food security. Different crops provide different nutrients. For example, Wheat provides carbohydrates. Beans provide protein. Vegetables provide vitamins. Fruits provide minerals and antioxidants. A diverse farm produces a healthier diet for the family. 4. Climate resilience. Different crops respond differently to weather conditions. If drought affects one crop, another crop may survive. This helps farmers adapt to climate change. Examples of crop diversification. Let's look at some practical examples from different parts of the world. Example 1. A wheat farmer also grows legumes, vegetables. This improves soil fertility and provides additional income. Example 2. In tropical regions, maize is intercropped with beans. Beans fix nitrogen in the soil, improving soil fertility. Example 3. In Africa, cassava is grown together with groundnuts. This reduces production risks and improves land use. Example 4. In Asia, rice is grown together with vegetables. Farmers obtain both staple food and vegetables from the same farm. Additional practices. Crop diversification can be strengthened by combining it with other farming practices. 1. Integration with livestock. Farmers grow fodder crops to feed livestock. Livestock produce manure, which improves soil fertility. This creates an integrated farming system. 2. Growing fruits, medicinal, and aromatic plants. These crops often have higher market value. Examples include grapes, apples, saffron. These crops provide additional income opportunities. 3. Agroforestry. Agroforestry means growing trees together with crops. Benefits include shade, wind protection, improved soil fertility, carbon storage, additional products such as fruits and timber. Challenges of crop diversification. Although crop diversification has many benefits, farmers may face several challenges. 1. Limited market access. Farmers may have difficulty selling new crops if markets are unavailable. 2. Lack of knowledge. Growing new crops requires technical knowledge and training. Farmers may need guidance from agricultural extension workers. 3. Limited inputs. Some crops require improved seeds, irrigation, fertilizers, farm equipment. These inputs may not always be available. 4. Need for government support. Successful diversification requires good roads, storage facilities, agricultural policies, financial support, extension services. Without these, farmers may hesitate to diversify. Conclusion. Let's summarize today's lesson. Crop diversification is an important strategy for sustainable agriculture. Instead of depending on one crop, farmers grow different crops to reduce production risks, improve soil fertility, increase farm income, enhance food security, protect biodiversity, adapt to climate change. Crop diversification benefits both farmers and the environment. By growing a variety of crops, farmers build stronger, healthier, and more resilient farming systems. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this lesson helpful and learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more educational content. If you have any questions, thoughts, or topics you'd like to see covered in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next lesson.